Do you want to give your videos a mysterious and cinematic atmosphere? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a dark aura effect in CapCut Mobile by just using its built-in video effects. Let's get started. First, open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project. Select the video you want to edit, then tap Add to import it into the editing timeline. From the bottom toolbar, tap Effects, then select Video Effects. Browse through the available effect categories, and you can also use the search bar to search for dark aura. Tap the effect to preview it. You will notice a darkened glow and atmospheric shading that surrounds the subject. You can also make some adjustments. Tap the Adjust button and slide the slider all the way you want. The slider option depends on the version of CapCut you have. Once you're happy with the preview, tap the check mark to apply the effect. Drag the left or right edge of the layer to adjust how long the dark aura effect stays on the screen. Now, play your video to preview the final result. And that's how you add the dark aura effect in CapCut Mobile. Dark vibes, epic edits. Thanks for watching and happy editing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless.